Hi guys, this is a Morphing tutorial created in Adobe Animate. So let me take you guys straight into Adobe and put one of these together. Hi and welcome to Adobe Animate. In this tutorial we're going to be creating a morphing. So let's start by going straight to the asset. Make sure the asset is selected, and right in there I'm going to select the strobe light. Drop it right there. There we go. That's the strobe light. Now I'm going to flip that strobe light, select the free transformation tool, and let's reduce this so that you guys can see me flip that. And I'm just going to go ahead and get it flipped, but before then I need to know the size. The height is 636 and the width, let's just copy that. So get it flipped. There we go. And just change that to 636 and this. There we go. Now select align, get it aligned there, and that is that done. It's like this, the light is actually reflecting from that ground and straight up there, so that's good. Now the next thing we want to do is end that. We now want to stretch these to about 180 there. Select F, press F5, or you can just right click and just copy the frame, but just press F5, that's good enough. There we go. Now get this locked. Create another frame and make sure the player head is on frame 1, and double click on the second frame that I've just created. Change the name to Morphing. There we go. There. Now right on frame 1, let's go straight into these tools here. Select the polystyle. The default value is always the triangle, but change that to polystyle. Click on that, that's the polystyle there. Come straight to the properties, select tools, scroll right there, you'll see the option. The option I want to select, default value is always polystyle. Change that to star and make sure you enter 6 in here. And right in here, change the color. The choice is yours, whatever color you want to use. So this is the color I intend to use. I'm just going to draw it right there. So that is perfectly fine. So in fact, let's take that color down and do that. Let's draw the color here. There we go. Now I want to take it up, just one alone. Now let's go straight to frame 180 right here. Right click on it and select insert keyframe, or you can always press F6 there. So in there you can always then delete this very star that you have in there. Okay, the keyframe is now empty. Okay, if you come here, the star is still there, but if you go to frame 120, there's nothing in there. Now go back to your polystyle, click on your polystyle and just draw it right up here. You can also change the color of the star. Now you draw, change the color one more time, just make it a little bit busier, and one more time. There we go. And go straight inside the morphing timeline. Right click anywhere in there and then select create space 20. Okay, shape 20. Create shape 20, this very one, and then just come in here and click on play. And there we go. And that is how you create a morphing in Adobe Animate. So with that guys, I'm going to call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoy it, and please do subscribe to this my channel, and bye for now.